Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today the beautiful pics and dresses of Ella Hunt. Ella Hunt is an English actress and singer. She is known for her film roles in Introduce, Robert Overlord, and her starring role in Anna and Apocalypse from 2016 to 2017. She played Ellie Mar- Marston in the ITV comedy series Cold Feet as of 2019. She plays Sue Gilbert on the Apple TV series Deacon Son. Ella born 29 April 1998, now the age of 22 years, London, United Kingdom. So the nationality of British movies and TV shows Anna and the Apocalypse, Records, Dickinson, Cat and the Ant. More you ignore. Robert Over Lord. Profile Instagram, Twitter. My viewers, Dickinson Ella Hunt comes out as queer and happy to be open. In its second session on Apple TV Plus, Dickinson has really focused in on queerness of its titular poet Emily Dickinson in the form of her relationship with her close friend, eventual sister-in-law Sue Gilbert. Now, the actress who plays Sue has said that she is queer and happy to be out on social media. The tweet comes after Hunt was quoted as saying she didn't think the term queer was specially about sexuality. A fan tweet at the challenging that idea, and Hunt replied, writing that she misspoke and I am queer and I am happy to be open about it. In the interview with Square Millie, who is 22, spoke about finding herself after moving to New York and starring in the queer focus show. Maybe that combination of being away from England and working on the show about female poet who wasn't understood in her time, such as outwardly queer, shows that glorifies queerdom made it less scary to enjoy those elements in myself and explore it in a way that I might not have done if I hadn't got the show. He said, I love the term queer. She continued, I didn't think it is especially about sexuality. I see it as a midset and feeling empowered in the weather and the strange sides of myself. I think queer is a beautiful word in that sense. It's an attitude. That's how I identify to my friend in New York. There are some who choose to use queer this way. This usage was more common in the 1990s and before recently Dia Swinton said she always felt that she was queer, referring to the word as a sensibility as opposed to a sexuality or gender. On Twitter, a fan Hunt pushed back. I love you so much and I love your interview. They write. However, being queer isn't an attitude I can just change. Being this like I can my attitude when having a bad day, I still love you. Oh, Hunt replied, I actually completely agree with you. And when the interviewer asked me directly if I was poor, I got annexes and familiarized my answer, having not openly talked about my identity for long. Just on 5 March 2021, Ella Hunt, I love you so much and I love you interview. However, being queer isn't an attitude I can just change. Being this way I can my attitude when having a bad day. I still love you. So we discuss the modern meaning. We discuss the modern meaning of the word queer. I love the term queer. I don't think it is especially about sexuality. I see it as a mid set and feeling empowered in the desert and the strange side of myself. I think queer is a beautiful word in the at sense. It's an attitude. That's how I identify to my friend in New York. And hi, love. I actually completely agree with you. And when the interview asked me directly if I was queer, I got anxious and familed my answer, having not openly talked about my identity for long. When the fan apologized and Hunt replied, adding to what she said, you don't need to be sorry at all. I am sorry you had such a tough time grow up. I am queer and I am happy to be open about it. I just get all kind of nervous and family in interview sometimes. Ella Hunt, you don't need to be sorry at all. I am so sorry.